fast quickly when I knew I should. That the war was made of this brotherhood of the man, for whatever that means. And so I cried sometimes when I'm on bed and just getting out what's in my bed, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, do I try all the time in this institution. And I pray, oh my God, do I pray every single day for revolution. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I say, hey, what's going on? 25 years and my life is still trying to get that great big hill of hope for a destination.